Good morning, students. So, students, today we will discuss important towns and trading centers, that developed during the medieval period. So, this chapter is from history, chapter 8, trading and tribal communities. So, as you know that in class 6 you learnt about the ancient period of history. In class 6 you learnt the medieval period, and in class 8 you are going to read about the modern period. So these what happened in during this later medieval period, it means that number of towns and trading centers that developed during this period, and this period that was called later medieval period, right? So towns like ancient towns like Mathura, Kaveri Patnam, Avanti, Patliputra, and others that flourished during this medieval period, or new more towns that developed during this period between the 8th and 18th centuries. Many ancient towns lost their glories in between 8th to 8th centuries and their importance. So that is why the new towns that emerged, that developed, right, during this period. So uh, uh, some of these towns and cities like Tanjore, Madurai, Vrindavan, Kashi that developed during the ancient period and continues to flourish during the early medieval period. So your medieval period is divided into two, later and early. So these towns that developed during the early period, during the later period, and after that they developed during the later period also. With the advent of the Turks, when the Turks they came in our country, when they came during the early 13th century, at that time number of new towns and cities that were developed or established. So some towns that gained their importance and capital, and among them some towns became capital, some towns became trading centers. For example, like Agra, Lucknow, Firozabad, Badoon, etc. They became a trading centers, and some towns became the capital. So with the coming of the Europeans, new trade centers that developed, new centers developed like Madras. Nowadays it is called Chennai, Goa, Bombay. Nowadays it is called Mumbai, and Calcutta, Kolkata. So that developed and became important towns and cities during this medieval period. So what are the changing phases of the capital towns and trading centers? So some towns which were traditionally commercial ports, means some towns that they became a traditionally commercial ports, and they continue to be important trading centers. That is why, because all the trading that was happened through these centers, that are why they are called the trading centers. And they were generally the capital towns of the empires or kingdoms, and they were the capitals of the kingdoms or empires which spanned during India at that time. For example, like Madurai was an important silk trading town at that time. During medieval period, Madurai became a silk trading town, right? And it was also a center of learning. So two features from this Madurai, that it became a silk trading town. Number two is it was also a center of learning, for learning, and it was the capital of Pandya Empire. Right, you have to learn this thing. And the famous Sangam literature that was created here. So during this period, which literature that was created? The Sangam literature. Right. So I hope you have understood about the important towns and trading centers which developed during the medieval period. Thank you.